Not cool. Hey guys, it's Delise. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a little cleaning vlog with you today. I absolutely love to watch these, and so I thought it'd be fun to film one. Before I get started, if you would just go and click the subscribe button, that would mean a lot to me. I make videos every single week, usually more than one video a week, and they're about all types of things: lifestyle videos, fashion, DIYs, remodeling, you name it, hair, etc. So yeah. I don't know if you're like this, but for me, you can tell exactly how I'm doing mentally by looking at my living space. Like, if my house is a mess, you know that I've got a lot on my plate and I'm just plodding along. I'm just trying to get through. But if my house is clean and neat and orderly, you know that I'm doing pretty good. And last week was just kind of a really crazy week for me. And so my house has kind of gotten out of control. You will see what I mean in a second. So I just need to get it together, and I thought that I would bring you along. So let me show you what I mean by I need to get it together. Okay guys, I cannot believe I'm showing you this, but here we go. So right here you see I've got laundry, all kinds of stuff that needs to be put away. This is the state of my living room. I'm not going to get into all the little details, but obviously, I mean, lunch, but we need to take care of this. Do you have this place in your home? You know, right by the door where you thought you would conveniently place a bench so that you could drop everything. Shoes, way too many shoes. We're gonna clean up my kitchen today. That's work stuff. Dishes. Actually, the dishes, no, they're bad. Okay, dishes. All kinds of leftover things. Say hi, Pig Pig. Hi. And then, what's the other space? Yeah, okay, confessions. Here's some more laundry. That's an issue. Honestly, that pile has probably been there for more than a week. And then I have trouble with dressers, and I kind of want to get rid of mine because it just tends to be a catch-all spot for the nation. Not cool. So So let's have a little update and a little pig time. Hi, Piggy. I obviously need a vacuum. I'm going to vacuum at the end of everything. Oh, no. Shh, shh. Sorry. It's me watching Zoella. Okay, so I cleaned. And so far, we got a cleaned off couch. It's decent. I'm going to redecorate everything. Are you one of those people? You can't even see me right now. Hang on. Are you one of those people who every season feels like you really just have to redecorate your home? Because I am. So I have been holding back on that since literally January 1st, like when I took my Christmas decorations down. And I'm going to redecorate. I'm thinking about new colors in here. I think I want to go green. So let me know what you think would look good, what new accent color I could do. I'm not going to paint. I'm just going to, you know, change my pillows and freshen up. So anyway, all that being said, the pillows are going to change, but the couch is clean. So the couch is clean. Cleaned off my coffee table. Just have my normal setup. Love this coffee table. Painted it not too long ago. It's been serving me well. Oh, I totally forgot to address the shoe issue over there. We'll get there. But yeah, cleaned off this one. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling productive. I still need to fold that laundry and then take care of the shoes. And we're going to run right here next. So let's... So I think I have the answer. This bin. This is one of those things that I bought. I think it came, yeah, from the dollar spot around the 4th of July. $5. I saw it. I thought it was adorable. I think it's like for drinks. But yeah, didn't really have a use for it. Knew it was a really cute. Totally my style, and I felt like I could incorporate it into my design. So I'm gonna try to use this as kind of a catch-all bin, and I don't really want it to fill up, one, because I think that'll be ugly, but I think it'll be a really good way to minimize some of this stuff that is just everywhere. So let's do that. So I'm just gonna clean out my purse and switch it to this one. If you love things like this, go check out my thrift haul. Keep it like this, but I basically threw most of the things on the inside, and like it had, this is hard to do with one hand, it had this little section for pins, but I don't like it for that purpose, just because I didn't want to like smash this and create a bigger crease here. So anyway, I love it. Built-in wallet. Isn't that heart pocket so cute? I had to put something there. Okay, built-in wallet, all the other good stuff. Yay, yay, yay. Love it, love it. Fits all my stuff beautifully. And you're just gonna do a little snap and a little snap. I feel like I could even put like a notebook in here. Don't mind my ashy hands. I just do a lot of dishes and should put some lotion. Man, this is hard. Okay, hang on. I'm not left-handed. Ha! Got it. So they'll start. Looks good, looks good. Looks good. Still need to handle that area, but I'm making progress, guys. We're doing it, we're doing it. With the help of a little television.
Yeah, it's stunning. It's sort of between the...
You the zoomies? This, my friends, is what they call the zoomies when your pig has an urge to run. Good? You good? You're so cute, Samson. You're so cute.